ओके, टुडे वी आर लाइव बट इन अ डिफरेंट वे। आज हम लोग प्रीमियर कर रहे हैं। सॉरी, हम आज लाइव नहीं आ पाए। बट
Yes.
टू स्टार्ट विथ, आज द मैच इज गोइंग टू बी बिटवीन CSK एंड SRH। एंड for starters, you guys can still put in your questions or your thoughts in the chat. Review हम पक्का करेंगे, preview हम भले ही live नहीं कर पाए। Review will be live after the match ends, so we'll go through the chat there, and we'll definitely try to pick out the questions and answer them in the review. Okay, so
Yes.
today CSK SRH अब तक का जो उनका history रही है, that has been SRH तो has been miserable in front of CSK। 12 बार वो लोग खेले हैं and CSK has won 9 out of those 12 matches. So SRH has been no match till now. Though this year looks a bit different, only a bit different, क्योंकि bottom two teams है ये फिलहाल। After 3 matches, these are the teams at 7 and 8 in the points table. So first things first, what do you make of this match and what do you expect from this match, Pashwa?
It's like a David and Goliath battle जहाँ पे डेविड ऑफ कोर्स सीएसके है और गोलायत हैदराबाद है, but it has been so often कि Goliath has defeated David despite being the underdog. And Chennai और हैदराबाद they faced off in the 2018 final, जो चेन्नई obviously जीता था. So yeah, I mean you made the correct point इस साल ये दोनों नीचे है टेबल में, and Chennai hasn't hit the best form yet. They started with a win, फिर defeat मिली. On the other hand, Hyderabad, they lost their both opening games and now they have won the previous game. So दोनों टीम्स का जो साइकोलॉजिकल माइंडसेट रहेगा या जो फॉर्म रहेगा गोइंग इनटू दिस गेम विल बी डिफरेंट. CSK will be having more questions regarding their squad than Hyderabad, that's for sure. And I think Hyderabad can actually win this one and reduce the head-to-head advantage, in my opinion.
Yes, yes, I think so too. After especially having said कि उनका उनका जो moral compass होगा वो it would be moral जो confidence होगा that would be much higher than CSK, क्योंकि CSK एक तो हार गया और उसके बाद इतना बड़ा ब्रेक आ गया है बीच में. So they would have
Yes.
thought about their team. They would have thought about what changes they need to make. But playing wise, ट्रेन भी बहुत किया होगा उन्होंने, लेकिन मैच
Yes.
वाइज उनका बहुत बड़ा ब्रेक आ गया है. दे हैड सम 5 or 6 days या वीक का गैप आ गया है बीच में. So the last they
Yeah,
played
but I think,
was on Friday,
yeah,
and today is also a Friday. So एक वीक का गैप है.
yes, and I think Rayudu और Bravo return करेंगे. I guess
ब्रावो
they are both fit.
ब्रावो विल सैम करन को रिप्लेस करके ब्रावो को अंदर.
No, I mean they will be available for selection. That's what I'm
Okay,
saying.
okay, yeah, yeah, yes.
So they will. I mean they have recovered. So MS Dhoni will have all the options in front of him.
Hmm.
He might also be tempted to play Imran Tahir given the amount of spin we have seen in the last few games. So
Yes.
anything could happen. MS Dhoni could go in with an altogether different lineup this time. We might see Sam Curran, but we might not see someone like Shane Watson. Who knows? Shane
Maybe.
Watson has done little to convince us and MS Dhoni for him to be retained in the side. So we cannot say anything. Even Ambati Rayudu will return. So if you remove Shane Watson and if you put in Ambati Rayudu and instead of Shane Watson you get in someone like an Imran Tahir, that totally enhances the quality of the side in my opinion.
ओके, आई हैड सम अदर थॉट्स, क्योंकि मैं शेन वॉटसन को रखता. और इफ आई वाज धोनी, मैं शेन वॉटसन को एटलीस्ट फॉर टुडेज गेम आई वुड कीप हिम. मे बी द मैच दैट दे प्ले ऑन संडे, अगर आज भी शेन वॉटसन डज नॉट प्ले वेल, then you replace him on Sunday. But for today's game, I would go with Ruturaj Gaikwad at the top. Murli Vijay को मैं I would sit out, क्योंकि ऋतुराज गायकवाड, I won't get in Ambati Rayudu instead of Ruturaj Gaikwad. I'll get in Ambati Rayudu instead of Murli Vijay. ऋतुराज
हाँ,
गायकवाड़
मुरली विजय को निकालो, वो मैं भूल गया।
हाँ, शेन वॉटसन के साथ ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ विल ओपन, देन यू हैव फैफ, देन यू हैव राइडू, फिर धोनी, केदार जाधव, जडेजा, सैम करन, ये सब है तुम्हारे पास, तो यू कैन प्ले लाइक दैट। और
यस।
व्हाट अदर चेंजेस डू यू सी? बॉलिंग लाइनअप वैसे का वैसा, या शार्दुल ठाकुर माइट कम इन और समथिंग लाइक दैट?
सी, दीपक चहर, जडेजा एंड सैम करन, ये 3 प्लेयर्स का तो जगह फिक्स्ड है।
हम्म,
अभी बाकी जो 3 बॉलिंग स्पॉट है, जॉश हेजलवुड, लुंगी एनगिडी एंड और कौन है?
पीयूष चावला।
पीयूष चावला। Yeah, I mean Piyush Chawla is also going to stay in the team. Hazelwood भी रहेगा, so only change I see is probably Lungi NGD going out. And
एनगीडी वाज
उसके
ऑलरेडी
बदले,
आउट लास्ट गेम, हेजलवुड प्लेड इंस्टेड ऑफ एनगीडी।
yes, right. So their lineup was Watson, Vijay, Park, Gaikwad, Dhoni, Kedar,
यस,
Jadeja, Sam Curran, Piyush Chawla, Deepak Chahar, and Josh Hazelwood.
यस,
Oh, so no, I do not see any bowling changes.
ओके, ओके, आई वुड अग्री देयर। अच्छी है बॉलिंग, ऐसा नहीं है कि कहीं पे लैक हो रहा है, बट इफ यू वांट टू ब्रिंग इन इमरान ताहिर, अगर तुम डेस्परेट हो, इफ द टीम इज डेस्परेट टू गेट इन इमरान ताहिर बिकॉज ही इज अ बोनाफाइड मैच विनर, ही हैज बीन परफॉर्मिंग वेरी वेल फॉर देम, so then you will have to sit Josh Hazelwood out, and you will have to
Yeah,
you will replace Piyush Chawla with Shardul Thakur or someone else. Like I think KM Asif is also an option, right? Fast bowling में.
yes,
तो
yes,
या तो ठाकुर या फिर KM Asif. I think Shardul Thakur is a better pick there. तो वो एक चेंज हो
definitely.
सकता है, पर बाकी अच्छा है, बॉलिंग लाइनअप इज गुड, इट इज ओनली देयर बैटिंग दैट लैक्ड इन द लास्ट मैच एज वेल, तो वो उनको
Yes.
संभालना होगा। और बैटिंग लाइनअप में हमें चेंज देखना है, जो हमें देखने नहीं मिल रहा है लाइनअप में। वी वांट टू सी धोनी प्रमोट हिमसेल्फ अप द ऑर्डर इंस्टेड ऑफ सेंडिंग आउट केदार जाधव और रविंद्र जडेजा।
He's not going to come before number 6.
या
That's my prediction for the
अनफॉर्चुनेटली,
game.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली
I mean, it's fortunate for the other teams, but obviously unfortunate for CSK and the CSK fans.
एग्जैक्टली, एग्जैक्टली। अब हम SRH की बात कर लेते हैं। SRH coming from a win, and coming from a very convincing win, I would say. They
Yes,
played very
definitely.
well. They played very well against. They won
Delhi
against.
Capitals.
Yes, yes. They won against the table toppers of that time.
Table toppers.
उस दिन पे वो टेबल टॉपर्स थे।
Exactly.
और तो वहाँ पे डू यू सी एनी चेंजेस देयर इन दैट साइड?
If Ashwin is fit by then, if Ashwin is fit before the game, we'll have to see. If he is fit, then he'll come in the place of Amit Mishra. But it would be unfair to remove Amit Mishra because he, no matter how old he is, different, he brings a different dimension to their spin bowling. So I want to see Mishra and Ashwin, both of them playing if they can figure out some way. But that will have to come at the expense of Akshar Patel.
नहीं, हाँ हाँ, दैट इज ट्रू कि तुम अश्विन को ले आओगे, अमित मिश्रा को ले खिलाओगे, दैट इज ट्रू, बट दैट कैन बी डन। ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि तुम्हारे पास 3 पेसर्स है उसके अलावा, तो पेसर
हाँ,
कहीं पे कम कर रहा है
but
ऐसा नहीं है। अक्षर पटेल को बाहर
हाँ,
निकालना पड़ेगा अनफॉर्चुनेटली।
they have 4 pacers. They have 4 pacers, to be honest. They have Nokia, they have the Rabada, they have Ishan Sharma, and they had Stoinis. So they had four pace bowling options.
या सो इन
So
दैट केस शायद शायद कोई वो
Ishan Sharma.
मे बी, हाँ, या फिर अगर यू, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी हार्श कॉल, लेकिन यू सिट आउट नोकिया फॉर वन गेम, पता नहीं, वेरी वेरी
Nokia
हार्श।
cannot be sat out because वो उसका और रबाडा का जो साउथ अफ्रीकन कनेक्ट है, that is very much evident in the bowling. They are bowling really well in tandem. So उस केमिस्ट्री को ब्रेक करना दिल्ली का सबसे गलत डिसीजन रहेगा in my opinion. Because we have seen over the years, pace bowling has been a big problem for Delhi Capitals. They've always been good with the spinners. They had Imran Tahir, they had Nadeem, they had Mishra, they've had Akshar Patel for more than a season. This is his second season now. So spinners have never been a problem, but they have never got the balance right with the pacers. You see, almost every year there is a change in the pace bowling department, but they finally seem settled over there with Rabada and Nortya. So I think changing that would not be good in my opinion.
Yes, but that was about Delhi. हाँ, मैच तो हैदराबाद और चेन्नई के बीच में, तो अपन हैदराबाद पे वापस आते हैं.
हाँ, yes. No, in the next match they should not do that. But Hyderabad का I don't think उनके टीम में भी कोई changes रहेगा. I mean, we have been talking about Hyderabad's team more than any other team.
Yes.
I mean the combinations, but they finally seem settled because he's playing at number 6, a position that he is not accustomed to. So the combination that Prasen said the other day, Priyam Garg in the top at number 3 or 4, and probably dropping Manish Pandey position down or not playing Williamson altogether and having Nabi instead. If that can happen, then you will use Priyam Garg's ability, but then you are losing out on a batsman like Williamson, and you are playing someone like Garg instead of Williamson as a batsman. So I don't think any changes would happen. If any, we might see Priyam Garg going out and Vijay Shankar coming in if he's fit.
I wouldn't mind Priyam Garg going out and Wriddhiman Saha come in.
Yeah, even
It's also
that
a
can
good
be
option.
possible because Saha has been a good player in the IPL. His strike rates have been impressive,
Yes.
so he can definitely play the finisher.
Yeah. So your top order remains the same, of course. David Warner, Johnny Bairstow, but at 3, Williamson.
I want Kane Williamson.
Yes.
I want Williamson.
Instead of Manish Pandey, you can have Kane Williamson at 3. Then Manish Pandey.
Definitely.
Then you have
Yes.
Priyam Garg or Priyam Garg / Vijay Shankar / Wriddhiman Saha, and then you have Abhishek Sharma,
Rashid Khan,
Rashid Khan,
Bhuvaneshwar,
and then bowling. Do you see any
Khalil.
changes? क्योंकि
No, I don't.
by the time the audience reaches here, अपना video यहाँ तक पहुँचेगा. I think the toss is already done.
Toss
So
will have happened, yes.
So they know the 11 already. But anyway, ठीक है. Bowling में no changes. I would agree. Bowling में no changes चले नहीं. But उनको एक bowler extra चाहिए. So I think Vijay Shankar is a better option there instead of Wriddhiman Saha.
Yeah, exactly.
क्योंकि
He
लास्ट
could
मैच
help.
में लास्ट
उसको
मैच में
4
they
का
had
4
only
over
4.
मत दो.
हाँ,
Yes,
लास्ट मैच
yes.
में they
You
had only
cannot
4
do.
proper bowlers. So
Yeah,
that can happen.
you can play Vijay Shankar and Abhishek Sharma as your fifth bowlers. उनको दोनों को 2-2 ओवर दो या एक ओवर अभिषेक शर्मा को दो, 3 ओवर विजय शंकर को दो. Or vice versa if either of those bowlers is having a bad day.
And I won't hesitate in saying this. Consider Kane Williamson as your sixth option. He is pretty good as a bowler as well. He's
Definitely.
not someone who will
I
go
said
for
this.
20-25 runs.
Yes, exactly. I mentioned this the other day. So yes, thanks for reminding. He can probably be one of those part timers as well. And on his day, he can bowl all the 4 overs too.
Yes. So that is the team roundup. Now let's go to the toss. We can't predict the toss, but what do you think the winning captain should choose? Batting. Okay.
It has to be that. I mean, day before yesterday night, we discussed how the commentators acknowledge the fact that batting first, the teams that bat first are winning most of the games. 83% of the results have gone in favor of the teams that bat first. I mean, we cannot, since we are shooting this before the Punjab and Mumbai match, we do not know what will have happened in that match. But yes, to hoping that the team that batted first in that game also won the game. So it will be 11 wins out of 13 for teams that batted first. That is almost 84.6%. So I think that the team that wins the toss should choose to bat first, irrespective of the conditions.
Okay, okay. And now just tell me, who is the team that you want to see winning the toss and batting first?
Hyderabad, because Bairstow and Warner can open their arms freely. We saw the other day how they batted first and they could chase down, they could score 150. They had Williamson in, and then the batting lineup seemed pretty balanced, and then they could go on to score a total that seemed pretty respectable, not challenging, I would say, because 164 was chaseable. Delhi somewhat made a mess of their own batting chase, but Sunrisers did a good job there. They did not have the fastest of starts, so for them to accelerate and reach 163 at the end of the 20th over is something I'll take any day. Also, we forgot about Abdul Samad.
Yes,
Uh, he played the last game and he'll be playing today as well.
yeah, true. And now, uh, talking about the team that I want to see batting first is CSK, because CSK has played three matches and chased in all three matches, lost two, one match they have won against Mumbai, of course.
Mumbai.
But अगर अगर ये मैच में वो लोग they bat first, so it will give that free hand जो हम हर टीम के लिए बोल रहे हैं, because in every
हाँ,
other team
वॉटसन को.
except for Punjab, every other team is lacking with their openers. कोई एक ओपनर मिसफायर कर ही रहा है हर मैच में, तो
Definitely, yes.
उसमें उसमें वॉटसन को बहुत फायदा होगा आई थिंक. And even if we see Ruturaj Gaikwad opening the batting and Raidu coming in at 4, तो Ruturaj Gaikwad will also get that cushion कि भाई मुझ पे कुछ pressure नहीं है, it is all free above my head, so let's go and smack that ball
Yes.
around. And
Yeah, and yes, and he's someone who loves to play the shots. He has a strike rate of over 113 domestic cricket. So you definitely see that he relies on boundaries, a lot of boundaries in his game, in his batting. So the power play will definitely help him where he can, find those gaps and play according to the field and hit the ball over the infield. So it will be a very big confidence booster for Rutraj Gaikwad if he is going to open today, and if he's playing in the first place. So let's hope that that happens. But since I want Hyderabad to win and CSK to not qualify, I don't think CSK uh, they can change things. But so far the signs have been very very bad. So Hyderabad seems to be the better team, and I think they should capitalize on that. They should, at this point, they deserve to be ahead of CSK, and they should bat first. But again, Rutraj Gaikwad, a very exciting player, a good young player for India. He could be in the future. So I would definitely want him to gain some confidence.
okay. On the other hand, the other possibility was कि ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ को ही राइडू replace कर ले, तो Vijay will be opening with Watson. So I hope Vijay also gets his chance to open his arms and score a few runs. That would be great for his confidence as well.
I can assure that no matter how many starts Vijay gets, he'll not score more than 40 in any innings.
Okay, that is harsh.
That
लेकिन
is not harsh. That is the ugly truth, because first of all, he's not designed to play for the T20 game. He has got a century. He scored 127, but that was 7 to 8 years ago, not in 2020 or in the last 4 years. And he struggles. He we have never seen him get a slow start and then pick up the pace once he gets a slow start and then he goes on a blitzkrieg. Once he gets a slow start, it remains the same and then he perishes. So we have not seen his accelerating side much. So as things stand, he's going to start slowly. He's not going to get 10 runs in his first 6 or 7 balls. It will be opposite, in my opinion, scoring 7 to 6 runs in the first 10 balls and then eventually falling apart.
Okay. Uh, लेकिन still I would give it to CSK. I really want CSK to win क्योंकि मुझे अब ये पता है कि SRH once they have started winning, I think they'll go on to win a couple of more in the next 4 to 5 games. But CSK needs
Yeah.
that confidence badly. And
Yes, yes.
though I am not a very big CSK fan, but I don't want to see a champion team like this who
Yes.
has played all the finals in the years that they have played, all the playoffs that they have played, to be losing out and finishing like
Yeah. I
they are in
mean,
the bottom. They are team
yeah, I
number 8
mean,
right now.
yeah. Yeah, whenever a team goes through a crisis, no matter if it's your team or or a rival team, it does feel a bit bad. So I'm a Real Madrid fan, but we all know what happened with Barcelona in August. They were handed an 8-2 defeat against Bayern Munich, and Messi wanted to leave. So they were going through all sorts of crises. It seemed like the club uh, reached a point of no return, and then it would only get worse from here. But one part of me enjoyed it, but the other part felt bad because it's teams like Barcelona that pushes Real Madrid to be at their toes and perform the best. So I want the same with CSK because when they perform at their best, it pushes other teams to give their best as well, and it takes the quality of the Indian Premier League to another level.
यस यस एंड वन मोर थिंग जहाँ पे हम प्रेडिक्शन की बात करेंगे इसके बाद, लेकिन उसके पहले एक चीज है कि जब भी आईपीएल स्टार्ट होता है तो वी ऑलवेज सी सम टीम हैविंग अ वेरी स्लो स्टार्ट, वेरी मतलब वो जीतते ही नहीं है पहले 3-4 मैच तक तो एटलीस्ट, मतलब in contrast to that, today at least we stand at a position where every team has some points on the table,
Yes.
and it is a very competitive IPL so far.
Yeah,
But
no
at the
team
same
has
time,
won all the 3 games.
yes,
No team has lost all the 3 games.
yes. And the exciting part is कि जो lower tier team होती है, जो 7th या 8th होती है, if they go against the first or second team, they are actually winning the game against the first and second team. So that is also a good thing कि
Swap. It's
all
a
teams are
swap. Swap हो जाएगा position.
हाँ swap हो
Yesterday,
गया है.
2 days ago, we saw how Kolkata climbed to second spot from seventh spot. तो
Yes.
पूरा ऐसा वो अक्षय कुमार वाला मीम हो गया.
हाँ. और बट द पॉइंट इज कि हम हर बार व्हेन यू सी कमेंटेटर्स सेइंग समथिंग, दे ऑलवेज से इन द स्टार्ट कि जब सीएसके खेलती है ना तब ये एक यूजुअल टोन होता है किसी भी कमेंटेटर का, किसी भी एक्सपर्ट का,
Yeah,
कि जो सामने
yeah.
वाली टीम है ना उसको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी सीएसके को हराने के लिए, या फिर अगर
काफी काफी.
मुंबई के सामने कोलकाता खेल रही है तो रिकॉर्ड काफी खराब है कोलकाता का, तो देयर यू से कि अरे कोलकाता को मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी मुंबई को हराने के लिए, या फिर मुंबई तो लेके जा ही रही है मैच. So that element is not there this year because every team is doing so well this year. मतलब एक कोई टीम ऐसी नहीं है जिसको तुम ऐसा कह सकते हो कि अरे ये तो पक्का टॉप 4 में जाएगी.
Definitely. Yes, and a few seasons ago, I guess in 2018 only, Punjab won 4 out of their first 5 or 5 out of their first 6 games. And then they went on to lose almost all their games,
Yes.
winning just 1 or 2, and then they finished in fifth or sixth. I don't think we'll see anything like that. I don't think we are even going to see the repeat of 2014 when Mumbai lost all their first 5 games and then went on to qualify for the playoffs.
हाँ, इस
It's
साल
going
it
to
is
be a
very
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 tough.
difficult.
It's going to be very tight. It's going to be like stampede हो जाएगा table में.
हाँ, बट लेकिन ये सही है. लुकिंग एट द पोजीशन राइट नाउ, दिस सीम्स बी टू बी द ओनली पॉसिबिलिटी. बट व्हेन द पिचेस स्टार्ट टर्निंग, व्हेन द स्पिनर्स कम इनटू द एक्शन, तब फिर क्या होता है दैट वी डोंट नो, क्योंकि वी माइट सी समवन
Yeah.
some spinner pull off an Alzari Joseph from last year, running through a team's entire lineup on his day and giving away just 5-6 runs maybe.
Yeah,
So वो it is
yeah,
very
and
it is
at
very
the
difficult.
moment the deadliest spinner, both Indian and international in Indian Premier League, has to be.
Has to
Who
be
do you think?
Chahal. Chahal नहीं है?
Af, Afghan Jalebi, Rashid
नहीं
Khan.
नहीं नहीं नहीं. I would still go with Chahal. चहल के तीनों मैच.
Okay, let's take both of them. But
हाँ
let's take both of them.
वो दोनों. Yes, yes. And I can see. I'm sorry, but I can see Mumbai struggling when the spinners start taking
Yes,
the
yes,
lead.
definitely.
तो वहां पे तुम्हें
And Krunal Pandya is, yeah,
पार्ट टाइम
Krunal Pandya is a नहीं नहीं, Krunal Pandya is a medium pace bowler in the action of a spinner.
हाँ, true. His speeds are way
Yes.
too high for a spinner. Or then we might see someone like James Pattinson sit out and someone like Anukul Roy coming in. वो एक possibility है जो हो
Oh,
सकती है.
and dude, uh, the Bangalore spin bowling lineup: Zampa, Chahal, Washington Sundar,
हाँ, वो लोग तो
devastating,
yes,
devastating.
yes, very true.
And
And
Sundar has already performed in a game where spinners are not provided so much assistance.
तो
In a game
उनका
where Zampa went for
आरसीबी का
53, he gave away just 14 runs.
एग्जैक्टली और आरसीबी का बॉलिंग लाइनअप तो सेट है. देखो स्टार्टिंग में यू बॉल वॉशिंगटन सुंदर विद आइदर उमेश यादव और डेल स्टेन इन द पावर प्ले. ठीक है, पावर प्ले
उनको
तुमने निकाल
वापस
दिया,
आने दो.
पावर प्ले तुमने खत्म कर दिया. उसके बाद चाहल को और एडम जंपा को लगा दो. 8 ओवर उधर हो गए. 6 and 8
खत्म.
14 ओवर्स डन. 14 ओवर्स डन. फिर
हाँ,
सुंदर को 1 ओवर बची होगी वो दे दो. उमेश यादव की 1 ओवर.
डेथ में तुम सैनी को डलवा दो.
सैनी को डाला तो खत्म. फिर और चाहिए ही नहीं कोई. और फिर अगर किसी किसी बॉलर को बहुत मार पड़ रही है तो देन यू गेट इन शिवम दुबे टू बॉल अ कपल ऑफ ओवर.
नहीं मतलब इनका बॉलिंग इतना अच्छा है ना कि इनको सिर्फ 16 ओवर की जरूरत पड़ सकती है.
ऑल आउट कर देंगे.
चाहल, सुंदर, जैम्पा और सैनी
हाँ,
खत्म हो गए.
yes. And we forgot Moeen Ali. Moeen Ali will also come in the second half.
अरे कितना खेला है.
नहीं, I think Zampa बाहर बैठेगा.
So then
Zampa बाहर बैठेगा.
नहीं, Zampa is a better. They already have a lot of all rounders and their batting also runs kinda deep. Then Morris will also return.
Hmm.
So I don't think होएगा ऐसा. So it's going to be. Let's not deviate from the match. RCB का
Yes.
match होएगा तब we'll talk about it.
हाँ, sure.
But
Let's go to predictions now.
another
Prediction?
yes.
या कुछ
Yes.
कुछ है पॉइंट है तो खत्म कर लो. फिर predictions पे जाते हैं. We'll end
Yeah, I
with
mean,
predictions.
yes, I mean, obviously Rashid Khan versus CSK's batting. Rashid Khan has a good record against CSK, so will that continue?
I don't know. See, if a batting lineup which was not so rock solid in the first game of I'm talking about RCB, the way they defended against Rashid Khan and decided not to give away a wicket and they did not give away a wicket. तो CSK तो उससे बहुत ज़्यादा mature team है. So they can
Yes.
definitely learn from RCB, and if they just nullify the effect of Rashid Khan, just knock him around for ones, twos, और उसके हर ओवर में से 6 रन भी निकालोगे, 24 रन भी निकाले और एक भी विकेट नहीं दिया तो बाकी बॉलर्स को फिर यू कैन टेक देम ऑन.
Definitely. Good. Yes.
So
But
that
we
is
saw the other day how he single-handedly took
Delhi.
the
हाँ,
Delhi
but
team to shred, to the shredders.
Delhi's batting lineup is a little inexperienced, so to speak. और वहाँ पे रिकी पॉन्टिंग हर बार बीच में नहीं आ सकता है. नहीं तो बता देता रिकी पॉन्टिंग कि भाई इसके ओवर निकाल लो तुम पहले. बट उस दिन क्या था कि वो किसी भी बॉलर को देवर नॉट हिटिंग. वो सब बॉलर के साथ कॉशियस ही खेल रहे थे. So I don't know what
That's
their approach
yeah,
was that day. Anyway,
right.
let's pick a winner. You have picked Sunrisers. I have picked CSK as the winner for today. Now let's go to the scores.
Yes.
any team, what is the score that you think for the team batting first, be it CSK or SRH? Team batting first?
Has to be over 170 if they have to win it, because uh, I mean chasing has been difficult, but फिर भी we cannot rule out any miracles or any surprises or shocks. So 170, no matter what the conditions are going to be in the second innings, seems to be a safe total in my opinion. Which ground is it going to be played in?
Dubai.
It's in Dubai. 170, perfect, perfect. No need to score more.
Okay. I'll go with my prediction from the match of Kolkata and RR. I'll go with 175 to 185.
175 to 185 was your
उस दिन
prediction, and they ended
by the way
174.
परसों वो prediction एकदम सही हुआ था. KKR could manage 174, so it was good. So I'll go with 175 to 185. Top scorer?
OP, we are close.
Yes. Top scorer कौन?
From both sides, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
from Chennai, I'll go with Faf du Plessis again because no one else is clicking, to be honest. So I'll put my money on Faf, and Hyderabad ke liye once again Warner, please score a half century. Finally, put an end to your misery.
Yes, true. I'll मैं नहीं जाता ऑर्थोडॉक्स, तुझे पता है. I don't pick orthodox choices, so I'll go with Watson for Chennai.
You're going to go with Ruturaj?
No. Watson with Chennai. He's not clicking. I hope he clicks. And in SRH, I'll go with Williamson. Williamson is an orthodox
Nice.
choice, लेकिन
I saw that.
Williamson. I'll stick with Williamson. ठीक है. So these were our predictions. We now let's have another fun prediction. Who is the man of the match for it? क्योंकि हमको टीम्स पता ही नहीं है क्या होने वाली है, हमने टॉस नहीं देखा है, हम पहले ही शूट कर रहे हैं. तो मैन ऑफ द मैच अभी से would be a very fun prediction.
See, what we'll do is we'll choose from both teams. अगर चेन्नई जीती तो कौन होगा, and अगर हैदराबाद जीती तो कौन होगा.
चलेगा.
So given Chennai's bowling looks sorted, I'll go with a batsman who will be a man of the match. And since I have taken Warner as my top scorer, I'll go with Warner as my man of the match if Hyderabad wins. As for Chennai, let's hope it is MS Dhoni. One of he's due. An innings from him is due. A good innings and up the order. Let's hope we can see him up the order at number 4 or 5. At number 3, if possible, which I think is very minute.
Never going to.
But if that happens, it's not going to happen. Dhoni can come in at number 11 once, but he cannot promote himself to number 3, so that's never happening. So yeah, I mean, if he comes in at number 4 or 5, let's hope he can take the team to victory.
Okay, for me, if Chennai wins, then I'll go with my top scorer. I want Watson to be the man of the match. But if Hyderabad wins, so I really want to see Bhuvi come on his own and be a match winner for at least once before the spinners take over the IPL. So Bhuvaneshwar Kumar if SRH wins. So okay, yeah, that's it.
Fantastic. Nice choice.
Nice preview. Short, sweet. We discussed almost every player, and अच्छा था preview. And we are well within time. मैंने timer आज set किया है. So I think the match has started by now. And if it hasn't, then we are leaving you early today. And if it has already, then we are as usual leaving you late today. So thank you so much for watching. Tune in for the review. Review से आज के review से वापस live शुरू हो जाएगा. Yes, this was just a one-off case where we had some other commitments, so we shot it beforehand. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys at the review of this match. I'll try to get someone else to give us company. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.